Are you having issues with your Sony TV? Well, I'm Chris with Sony, and we're going to look at some simple ways that we can address some of those issues, including power cycling your TV, power cycling your network, reinstalling apps, using a diagnostic tool built into most Sony TVs, or doing a factory reset on your TV. Doing one or more of these steps should get you well on your way to watching your favorite content in no time. Let's jump right in. If your TV won't power on, this may seem obvious, but make sure that it's plugged in. What I mean by that is make sure that if it's a detachable power cord, it's firmly seated in the back of the TV, and then make sure the other end is firmly plugged into the outlet or the surge protector. Now, to make sure that you're getting power through that outlet or surge protector, you can plug in something else like a phone charger to see if there's power going through there. Issues with slow performance, unresponsive applications, or other issues, you may just need to restart your TV. Think about it like restarting your phone or your computer. Sometimes electronics need a break, and doing that simple reset will sometimes take care of those issues. Now, to perform that reset via the remote, take your Sony remote, hold down the power button for about 5 to 7 seconds, and you'll see a reset button come up on the screen. Select that, and that will start the reset of your TV. Now, if your TV is locked up and it's not responding to the remote, just unplug that TV for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and then hit the power button to power it on. You can also restart your TV by going into the quick settings by pressing the gear icon, then settings, and finding restart under System, About, or Device Preferences depending on your model. After the restart is complete, the TV will automatically power back on. I have seen this solve many small issues before and should be one of your first steps when you're troubleshooting the TV. If you're still experiencing issues with an application, it may need to be updated or reinstalled. Launch the Google Play Store by selecting the Apps tab from the Home menu and search for the application you're having issues with in the Search for Apps and Games bar. If there is an update available, you can click Update. Uninstall an app by clicking the Uninstall button. Once it's complete, reinstall it by clicking the Install button. If you're still having issues with your TV's internet after restarting your TV, a common solution would be to power cycle your Wi-Fi router. To do this is easy. Just walk over to your router or your modem router combo, depending on what you have. Pull the power plug for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and check the results. If you're still having issues, you may want to see if your TV is too far away from the router or if your router needs an update. Did you know there was a self-diagnostic tool built into your TV? This tool helps customers diagnose and resolve basic setup and configuration issues. To use this tool, press the Help button on your remote control. If your remote does not have this option, scroll to Apps at the top of the home page and look for Help. Or go to Settings, scroll down to Apps, and then see All Apps, click on Help, and it will bring you to the Help screen. In this application, you can find a number of tools to help you troubleshoot and diagnose your Sony TV. A factory reset is your last option, as this will take it back to initial settings and you'll have to set up the TV once again and re-download all of your applications. To do this, start by going into the Settings menu. It is in Device Preferences, About, or System, depending on which TV you have. A factory reset should be the last option, but is very good at fixing issues you may encounter. If these steps don't fix your issue, be sure to navigate over to Sony's support site using your computer, your tablet, or your smartphone. There you can enter in the model number and find out all the troubleshooting options you have for your Sony TV. I'll put a link for that site in the description. Thanks a lot.